So imagine working so hard on YouTube, posting consistently, finally reaching monetization requirement, then suddenly YouTube hits you with this. Your channel is currently not able to earn on YouTube. That message alone can break your head, can make you mentally stable. You understand? So in today's video, I'm going to explain why YouTube gives this message, the common mistake creators make, and most importantly, how you can fix it before it destroys your channel growth.
So let's start.
Part 1. What this message really means. So first of all, if you receive this, your channel is not currently able to earn message, it usually means your channel failed monetization review. And the truth is, most people think YouTube hates them, but most time it's because the channel violated some monetization rule without realizing it. Do you understand? Part 2. Main reason why channel gets rejected. Number 1. Reused content. This is the biggest reason. If I post other people's video, reaction clip, TikTok video, movie scene, or even AI content without any enough adding any commentary or editing, YouTube can just reject your monetization instantly. Maybe you're just seeing AI content, just post like that direct, nothing at all, or just adding only subtitle or music. See, that is not enough anymore on YouTube in this 2026. Adding just subtitle or music is not enough. You need to add more editing to that video. Learn editing before you can see or do reused content. Number 2, violating YouTube policy guideline. YouTube also check if your channel breaks community guideline or copyright rules. Maybe you're always used to using popular music. Even if one video is problematic, it can affect on your whole channel. It can affect on your monetization review. So avoid having copyright strike on your video. You understand? Avoid copyright strike. I explained different type of copyright in this video. For those that don't know about copyright, go and watch different type of copyright. Go and watch this video. Why number 3? Inactive channel. So people stop posting for months. You understand? Or their watch hour drop below the required threshold. You know the required threshold is what? 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour. This can also affect your monetization. So don't go for a long time. Even if it's just to post in your community, don't just ghost without coming to tell us why, or without giving us reasons to this thing. So avoid ghosting for a long time. You understand? Number 4, ADS problem or ascent problem. If your ADS is not approved, if it's not linked properly or active, monetization can also fail too. A lot of creators forget this part. They think ADS is as simple as leak. No. So part 3, what to do if you get rejected. Step 1, click the end tab. First thing, go to your YouTube studio. Yes, the application itself. Check the end tab. YouTube normally tell you the exact reason why your channel was rejected. They used to tell you. If they reject, they'll tell you for so reason. If they reject, they'll tell you. Step 2, fix your content. If it says reuse content, you need to either remove that channel, that video, or private it, or heavily edit it that looks unoriginal. Do you understand? Edit it well. Add your face, add your voice, storytelling, commentary, better editing, something transforming. Don't just leave it as pure video. Do you understand? Edit it well. Learn editing. Or better still, pay for someone to edit it for you. Why step 3? Appeal the decision. If you truly believe your content is original, you can submit an appeal video. Upload around 5 minutes or I don't know, maybe 5 to 10 minutes. In that appeal, you explain how you create your video, how you edit them, what makes your content original, and show your editing process step by step. How you edit your video. And step 4, reapply later. And if your appeal still fails again, don't panic. You can reapply after 30 days after fixing your channel properly. Or best is to consult YouTube experts that monetize their channel. I cannot recommend some people for you, but you can check. I'll recommend some people for you. And you can ask that Princess Chiamaka, Vibe Sonia, Gloria C. You can ask me too. You can ask Ivy's channel. You can ask people that have monetized their channel. What I'm just trying to see. You understand? I'll be showing their pictures in the site. So the truth, so engine part, consult expert. If your channel, if you don't get monetized and you don't understand it, consult expert. So the truth is, in hospital, sorry, let me clear this one. In hospital, if you use personal, they say what? Consult medical center. So same thing, consult expert. So the truth is, YouTube monetization is getting strict every year. You can't just repost content anymore, like, because that is content, just repost it. Expect easy money. YouTube wants creators that usually add value to their channel. So if you want to survive in 2026, focus on originality content, storytelling, personality, and what? Transformation content. You want original people. You don't want people that just come and they copy and paste. No, let your video be different. So outro. If this video helped you understand monetization better, make sure you like this video, subscribe, and comment below if you ever feel rejected by YouTube before. You understand? And trust me, your comeback will still happen. You understand? So I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my next video. And don't forget to check out my playlist as usual. And what? Hi, I am Monetized. Bye bye.